Laiba's kitchen vlog Mango Chutney magic. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to Laiba's kitchen, where every recipe is made with love and a little bit of spice. I'm Laiba, and today we're making something that screams summer and desi vibes, mango chutney. If you've got ripe mangoes lying around and you're craving something sweet, tangy, and spicy, this chutney is going to be your new obsession. Let's get started. Ingredients laid out on the counter. Here's what you'll need. -5 large ripe mangoes, peeled and diced, 1 tablespoon oil, 2 teaspoons fresh ginger, finely chopped, 2 garlic cloves minced, 1 red chili sliced, 2 teaspoons nigella seeds, -1 teaspoon ground coriander, Minnesota ½ teaspoon cumin powder, Minnesota quarter teaspoon turmeric, Minnesota quarter teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder to 2 cups sugar, 1 cup white vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Cooking process step 1. Heat oil in a medium pot. Add ginger, garlic, and red chili. Salt for a minute until fragrant. Step 2. Add all the spices, coriander, cumin, turmeric, cinnamon, cardamom, and nigella seeds. Let them bloom for 30 seconds. Step 3. Now add your diced mangoes, sugar, vinegar, and salt. Give it a good stir. Step 4. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about an hour. Stir occasionally and enjoy the aroma filling your kitchen. Final look and serving suggestions. Look at this gorgeous glossy chutney. You can mash it a little if you like it smoother, or leave it chunky like I do. Serve it with samosas, parathas, grilled chicken, or just sneak a spoonful straight from the jar. That's it for today from Laiba's Kitchen. If you try this mango chutney, don't forget to tag me and share your creations. Like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious desi recipes. Till next time, Khuda Hafiz and happy cooking.